We're camping.
In Temecula,
We're camping.
Vail Lake.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
But there is no lake.
I know, seriously, this is like a
It's
small.
called Diamond Valley Lake. There's no lake. What up with that?
I know, seriously. Illy.
Random. Okay.
Ah!
We're gonna videotape us laughing. Okay. Let's look at the tent. See, look at the tent.
It's so like
So
cheeky.
tough. Oh my gosh, this thingy, the green thingy, it was up thingy. It was up there, and then I fell down. It was
And then
funny
we're all
because we're talking about it falling down, and then it just falls down, and we scream. It was so funny. It was funny. Yeah, it was really funny. We're like random. It's like the Random House of Randomness, yo.
That's awesome right there.
Flash is really bright.
Yes.
Yes, it is.
Brightness.
Okay.
Okay.
Probably can't see us anymore.
I don't know.
I don't know. I have an oily face.
I don't.
Remember? 10 months. Okay, you know the sign that goes 10 miles per hour? This is months.
It's so low. It's just random.
Yeah. Random outburst.
Woo!
We were doing it in the car. Everybody's quiet and we're all singing.
We're all like kissing through the phone.
Kissing through the phone.
It's like at the campfire we're all just singing nonstop.
Yeah, it was
and then
funny.
random outburst. Ow. I felt my head right here. I fell off my pillow.
Her phone died.
It died on me.
Yeah.
That sucks. Okay, bye.
See ya. Peace out, homie G. See you later. Okay, bye. Random outburst. Woo!